Imagine a world where artificial intelligence isn't just a concept, but a reality shaping every aspect of our lives. What would that world look like? Well, it might surprise you to know we are living in that world right now. We begin our journey in the ever-evolving healthcare sector. Here, artificial intelligence is making its presence felt in a big way. It's not just about streamlining administrative tasks anymore. AI algorithms now assist doctors in diagnosing diseases, predicting patient outcomes, and even crafting personalized treatment plans. The future of medicine is here, and AI is writing the prescription. Moving on, we find ourselves in the heart of a bustling city. But this isn't just any city, it's a smart city, powered by AI. Traffic flows smoothly, energy use is optimized, and public services are more efficient than ever. This is no utopian dream, it's the reality of urban living, transformed by artificial intelligence. Next, we venture into the economic realm. Here, industries are not just adapting to AI, they're being reshaped by it. Automation isn't just replacing old jobs, it's creating new ones. Predictive analytics are making businesses smarter and more proactive. And decision-making? It's getting a major upgrade, thanks to AI's data crunching capabilities. Our exploration wouldn't be complete without a visit to the education sector. Here, AI is not just a tool for teaching, it's becoming a teacher itself. Personalized learning experiences, intelligent tutoring systems, adaptive educational technologies, these are not just buzzwords, they're the new normal in an AI-powered education system. But with great power comes great responsibility. As AI continues to evolve, so do the ethical considerations and challenges that come with it. Algorithmic biases, data privacy concerns, the potential for misuse, these are real issues that demand our attention. Understanding and addressing these challenges is crucial for responsible AI deployment. In this brief exploration, we've seen how artificial intelligence is truly changing the world. It's revolutionizing healthcare, transforming cities, reshaping industries, and redefining education. But this is just the beginning. As we continue to navigate this transformative era, we must strive to harness the potential of AI, not just for innovation and progress, but for the betterment of humanity as a whole. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of AI. We hope these insights have sparked your curiosity and inspired you to embrace the changes that AI is bringing to our world. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and always be ready for the future that AI is crafting.